some shit I like to fix, but I still know that I'm blessed.
Wow, this song. So I know this is not probably even considered a hack, but I'm throwing it in here randomly. Hello, little helper. She always helps me clean house by being right in the middle of it. Oh, honey. So in between vacuuming, I vacuum the house once a week. But in between, when I sweep, I also sweep the rug. Check it out. You'll be surprised. Let's see if I can make this work. That's not going to work. I'll do it backwards this time so you can kind of see what's So I just kind of do it in sections. Never mind my fluffy slippers and my fancy robe. There's my helper again. Thank you. We're doing packing from camping, plus we've got a dog. So that... Oops. I have no idea when you guys fell over. Did the dog tip you over? Obviously, every time I sweep the most, it's the dog hair. I have no idea what you guys are seeing. So that's what came off the rug. And then it'll get vacuumed later, or at least in between it gets some of that dog hair off. Love this song. This is Lunchtime Rewind. Must have been a really good year for music. I use the same method for my entry rugs at each doorway. I sweep them off in between vacuuming.
If I can't keep my head held high enough, I'll just speak love and watch the smiles come.
Thanks for watching.
Bring my spirits up.
Don't forget to stop and smell the flowers.
There's some shit I like to fix, but I still